Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Spider-Man Miles Morales errors. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. And again right click and select go to properties and go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select change high DPI settings. Check mark this override high DPI scaling behaviors and select application and click on OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Second step, you just need to clean install the GPU. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section. Here you can able to see where graphics card name. Now open up Chrome and you just need to search where graphics card brand name guys. In my case NVIDIA driver download and select the first site. Select the subtool and in manual driver search you just need to search for your driver model. In my case 5080 with ever Windows version you just need to type it, and as you can see two options are available. One is for laptop users and another was for PC users. Select the second one for PC users and then select find option. Now under game ready driver you just need to select the view option, select the download option. After the download done, click on it and install it. Select the NVIDIA graphics driver and select the accept and continue. Select custom and select next. Check mark this perform a clean installation and select the next option and continue this install guys. After the installation done, you can go for the third step. You just need to open the game and select yes. Go to settings. Window mode, set this to exclusive full screen. Display resolution, set this to 1280 into 720. Aspect ratio auto. Upscaling method, turn it off. And anti-analyzing TWA. Low latency off. Frame generation off. Dynamic resolution 60. Refresh rate 60. VSync off. And now go to graphics and preset, set this to very low. And here depth field very low, set this. And ray traced reflections, if it is checked, uncheck it. Ray traced shadows off, uncheck all the effects. And now click on OK and select the play. And now go to settings and you go to display and graphics. Set this display resolution to ever monitor's resolution. In my case, 1920 into 1080. Refresh rate 60. VSync off. Go to graphics. Texture quality, set this to medium. Texture filtering, set this to 2x. Scroll down and find the effects. All these effects you just need to turn it on and then select the play, select the continue option, and now you can enjoy the game with these settings guys. If you still facing the crash, then check my video description for this video link. Just follow these video steps guys. This worked for more people on Reddit and I already made a video. After following these video steps, the crash problem should be fixed. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.